How to use the fitness app on iPhone without Apple Watch. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can use the fitness app on iPhone without your Apple Watch. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step that you'll need to do is just open up your fitness app. So this is what the fitness apps looks like. So you might have to first go to the basic setup, and after you're done with that, this is what it should look like. Now what you'll need to do here to actually use the app is that you will see your summary of your daily activities here. You'll see the activity ring where you'll just get how much you've moved. You'll get the step count, you'll get the step distance, sessions and awards, trends and stuff like that. If you scroll down all the way, you'll see all categories, where you can simply see all of the categories other than the activity ring, steps and sessions and stuff. So head over to summary again, and if you head over to activity ring, it should show you if you have reached your daily goal or not. So here you can see how many steps you have walked, how many distance you have covered. You can change your goal, you can pause the ring as well. So if you head over to the calendar option on the top, you'll get your summary here. So here you can see how much you have walked, how much you have just gone through with your activities here, and yeah, that is basically how you can do it. So for this to actually work, you'll need to set a daily goal. So here you will see this button, tap on it. I'll just change the daily goal. Here you will see how much kilocalories that you want to lose or stuff like that. So you can change your move goal as well. Tap on change move goal. You can adjust the one for today as well. So that is how you can adjust it, and then you can start moving. Now after you start moving, you can even count your steps. Here you'll see the step counter. You can see today's steps, you can see a weekly, monthly and yearly stats here. So you can even do the step distance. You can see the monthly, you can see the weekly, you can see the yearly steps distance that you've walked. So that is basically how you do it. This is the brief basic stuff that you can do on fitness app. And yeah, that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.